No way. It's getting pounded. Fish. No way. Yes. In the blizzard, baby. Look at that. There, we're hooking that one. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Get in the bucket. Man, I'm pumped. That one took me forever. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Hey, what's up, you guys? We are out here in some of the craziest weather I think I've ever fished in my entire life. It's open water fishing here for jumbo perch on the Mississippi River, but it is an absolute blizzard out here. I can't believe it, but I am gonna go try it in my normal jumbo perch location, and we are gonna see what we can catch. The weather is just crazy out here by the dam, but sometimes that's when the fish bite the best. But as always, before we get going, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Look at the elements I'm out here fishing in. I need you to subscribe so that you can get more of this crazy fishing content from me this spring. So I'm gonna get back to it and try to catch some fish. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're live. Let's see how this goes. I think I have to face this way. Oh, I lost him. No, I got him. He's just not very big. Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my gosh, look at it out here. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. In an absolute blizzard out here. See ya. That took 10 seconds. Oh. Oh, you guys. Oh, you guys. Are you kidding me right now? It's an absolute blizzard. And I'm getting bit like never before. Okay. No way. It's getting pounded. Fish. No way. This is a nice one too. Yes, dude. Oh, are you kidding me right now? What a tank. What a tank. Look at the snow out here. This is insane. Well, let's put some water in the bucket, huh? I did not expect this today. I thought I'd come out here and I would just be the crazy guy fishing today. Looks like today is the day to catch them. Look at the snow out here. Oh my goodness. Let's keep going. Oh my gosh, my hands are just freezing cold. There, we're on again, finally. Pretty good one. There we go. Another one in the bucket. Uh-oh. In the sand. Oh, here we go. This next one took me a little while, but we got him. Going in. This one might be getting bit right now too. Let's try it. Yep. Oh, shoot. That was a good bite. There, 2 good bites in a row. See, that one took the worm also. All right, we're back. Got a little lull there. You're on, finally. Come on, be big. Be big. Not bad. Not a bad one. There we go, you guys. Yes. Yes. In the blizzard, baby. Look at that. Yes. There we go. Yes, dude. Not a giant, but definitely going in the bucket. The bucket's right behind it. Oh, look at that thing coming at me. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Look at that bird, you guys. Yo. Oh, there's one. Yes. Come on, baby. Let's get this fish. Oh my god. Come on. Yeah, and it's a good one too. What a fish, dude. That's another real nice perch. Not a tanker, but nice one. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Awesome. All right, into the bucket. Oh, I moved it over here. We got a few in there now, eh? Yes. Get in here. Yeah, there we go. Yes, another not huge one, but a good one. Yes. And I saved my little bit of worm. All right, so he's going in the bucket behind you too. There, we're hooking now, and yes! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Oh, this one took forever to hook. That's a good one. Another dandy of a perch. Get in here. Yeah, baby! Woo! Yes! Yes! Look at it. Right in the side of the mouth. Barely there. Yeah, buddy! Woo! Yes! Get in the bucket. Man, I'm pumped. That one took me forever. Oh, this one's getting bit. Come on, let's get one more. Here's one. Yes! Yes, we're on. Oh, stay on. This one feels really good. This one might be my biggest one of the day. This feels really big. Oh, it is really big. Get on shore. Yes! Oh, that is my biggest one of the day. Oh, he choked it too. Oh, that's a huge fish. That's a huge fish. I let him eat it too long. All right, well, there it is, you guys. I think that's my biggest one of the day here in the snow. Just a beast of a perch. What a dream. Whoa, I'm slipping everywhere. What do I got? 5 or 6 in there? That's pretty good. Oh, we're on again. Yes. Yes. Get in here. Yeah, dude. Not a giant, but a good one. And he ate my last worm. That was my last worm. So that essentially means I'm done. This one ate my last worm, so we are gonna be done. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.